Alright, now it's time to go. Today it's the last day in London and I'm going to visit the Science Museum, which is near Hyde Park. So I'm going out first at Queensway Station so that I can cross Hyde Park in order to go to the Science Museum. So I'm here, and this side of the park is actually Kensington Gardens. You can see here Kensington Gardens, Hyde Park, but I'm still going to go there because the Museum of Science is somewhere here. Oh no, it's there, the Museum of Science. So first I'm going to try to see if I can find a sandwich or something before, so that I can have lunch in the park, because I don't want to be starving like the other days where I was out of the museum at 2 p.m. An excellent warm sandwich with omelette and the cheese. And the park is right there, just near the station. How cool is that? Yes, I'm there and I want to go there. That's, I think, Queen Victoria? I think that's Queen Victoria. So yeah, that's a talking statue of Queen Victoria. I am not sure if this is the Orangerie or if it's like a random palace. No, so that's Kensington Palace. So that's not what I was looking for. Okay, so I've had my lunch and now I'm nearly at the end of the park there. So now I just need to find the Science Museum and to spend my afternoon there. That's going to be cool. And so the reason why I'm doing the Science Museum and not the Natural History Museum is that I did the British Museum, which is mostly about history. So I thought that it would like be repeating itself again a bit. Alright, so I found the Science Museum right there. I just so want one of these. Too cute. You can actually sit 2 persons. So this bench is made out of recycled plastic. Museum. It's 4 p.m. In front of me I have the Victoria and Albert Museum there, and so I think that there it's a natural history museum. So now it's 4 p.m. My bus leaves at 6:30, so I have 2 hours and a half to go to Victoria Station, and I'm gonna walk there. And on my way there, I'm going to go to Harrods. Okay, so I'm there, and Harrods is somewhere around here, so I just need to go there. So that's here, that's still the Victoria and Albert Museum, and it looks pretty impressive. I don't know what it's about. That's Harrods, this building there. Alright, so Harrods is done. I didn't film anything in there because it's not really the kind of thing that you do in Harrods. If you don't know, it's a bit of everything. Clothes, house decoration, food and so on, but like super high price and stuff. What I like the most about it is the food, because they have good quality stuff. It's definitely not stuff that I can afford on a daily basis. If you can, congrats, but I can't. But like for presents, for people, for family and stuff, that makes really good presents. So now it's 5:15 and I need to find Victoria Coach Station. It's 20 to 6 and I have to find Victoria Coach Station. I don't think I'm lost, so that should be good. Since Harrods, it's just really a really posh area with a lot of hotels and luxury shops, this sort of thing. So you see, it's that kind of building, so it's not too bad. But I'm going in that direction. Here we have a nice church on St. Michael's, Chester Square. And I'm continuing in that direction.